So the next prediction that I had made was the fact that mid-cap stocks are going to do exceedingly well. Mid-cap and small-cap stocks are going to outperform large-cap stocks by a mile. Why am I saying it? So let me quickly take you to the small-cap and mid-cap index, do some index analysis, and then I will help you understand some context. So you can see that this is the mid-cap index in India, and from its top, it is trading at roughly 11% discount as of now. And guess what? One of my primary contributors to my own portfolio had been mid-cap stocks. They have done exceptionally well over the last few months. Just for context, this is when I had made the video, so roughly here, and even if we did not invest any single money after this, then also you would have been approximately at 7% gain. But if you chose to invest during the fall also, in this entire fall, your profits would have been crazy. So approximately on my mid-cap portfolio, I'm sitting on a gain of roughly 18 to 20% over the last 3-4 months itself. So now you might say that, okay, this rally is over. So okay, maybe not.